Embrace modern minimalism and daily ease at Liberty Ridge, a student haven that blends campus closeness with all the perks of uni life in the charm of San Antonio. These cozy non-ensuites and spacious one-bedroom apartments offer a warm bed to sleep off the day's blues in your own room, and depending on your choice, even a private bathroom for added comfort. Swim refreshing laps in the pool, then unwind under the sky on the sun deck. Forget laundromat runs with convenient on-site laundry facilities. With covered parking for your wheels and on-site management plus maintenance, convenience is always within reach. Best of all, your new home is just minutes from Our Lady of the Lake University and the University of Texas at San Antonio, making your trips to class effortless. Get around the city and more with ease. Just catch a bus from Loop 410 East Access Road and Thunder, or get the train from San Antonio train station. Come, join the student community at Liberty Ridge, San Antonio via amberstudent.com.